Alright, I'm in the 15 Silverado. Went and got some Starbucks this morning. Drove it home last night. One I just put the engine in. And, well, it just quit flashing. But we got a flashing check engine light. I feel a misfire. Traction control light came on. But yeah, it just quit flashing. But got a misfire, flashing check engine light. So gotta pull this sucker back in, figure out this misfire. AJ's, he put the one in his 15, had to replace the engine, and then the second engine had a misfire, and it was number 7 spark plug. The tip of the spark plug and the electrode had carbon together, and he just cleaned off the plug and it run good. So I'm gonna hook up the scanner and see what cylinder's misfiring and figure this thing out. Alright, just plugging in my little handheld here. 1 of 1 pending. Number 8 cylinder misfire. Right. 1357 2468. So it's going to be the very back one there on the passenger side. Let me get that cover off. All right, I got my little spark tester here. Just pulled the plug wire off the coil, stuck it in the coil, hooked at the ground. It's jumping 30 kVs coming out of the coil, so that's good. So I took the spark plug wire off of the plug, stuck it on the coil, stuck this in the spark plug. It's jumping 30 kVs. So spark plug and coil are good. So now I'm gonna pull out the spark plug and check the plug. If the plug looks real bad, I'll just throw another one in it. If it don't look bad, I'll throw a compression tester in there. All right, getting this plug out of here. Hopefully it's just carboned up, so I can put a plug in it and go. Let's see. Let me get up the truck here. My gosh. Okay, let's see. Don't look the best in the world. I think I already said this, but I drove it home last night, and it did decent on the way home. Felt good. Definitely no flashing check engine light. Guess it could have had light misfire, possibly, but I thought it was good. And then this morning, after about 5 miles of driving, it started doing flashing check engine light and a dead misfire. So I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take and put a spark plug in there. Then I'm gonna put this spark plug in the coil wire and see if it's getting fire. All right, I'm gonna change that up a little bit. I'm gonna throw compression tester in it because I don't want to put a spark plug in it and then end up having to pull it back out and then do a compression test. So I'm gonna check compression. All right, I can't make my mind up. So first, I'm going to put the spark plug wire back on the coil. And put this spark plug in here and fire it up with the plug out and see what the spark looks like. Yeah.
You want to cut the start?
Yeah, I guess. Yeah. Okay, 150. Sure. 9,500. I'd say that's pretty good. I mean, I would think. Huh?
How far do you drive it?
Total 10 miles, probably.
Oh, you was recording?
All right, so I think, yeah. I'm just going to take a coil and a spark plug out of the other engine, throw on there, and go drive it. I got a new spark plug I'm gonna throw in there. Now, is that 150? Is that a little low on compression? Number 8, that's not a deactivation cylinder, so.
It should be all right.
Maybe that coil just started breaking down once it started heating up or something.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna put this new plug in it and a coil off the old engine, and we'll go drive it. Oh, swap out the coil and the plug just to. What the? Oh my gosh, bro. Got some coolant down in the plug where it plugs in. Freaking junk. What a waste of time. Well, all right. That's definitely what was causing it to misfire. Got some coolant down in there. I didn't have those, I didn't have the heater hoses off back there. Of course, this is a junkyard engine, so I should have caught that. I should have seen that it had some liquid down in there. I'm gonna go ahead and put the other coil on it, just for the heck of it. But that was the freaking problem. Had some coolant or water liquid down in the connector plug-in. Freaking junk, bro. All right, got my codes erased. So stupid, bro. Stinking liquid in number 8 coil connector. So that was a waste of my time. I'm sure it's gonna be good, but I'm gonna take it on a 10-mile test drive here. All right, just got back from a 10-mile test drive. Things are running real good. So that definitely could have been avoided if I would have seen that in the junkyard engine, if I would have seen that liquid in that connector. But at least it's running good and it's done. So thanks for watching. Hope you all have a great day.